Good morning, students. Today I am going to continue the lesson geometrical figure. Now let me see edges and corners. Now look here in your textbook, page number 2, edges and corners. Look at this, the piece of burfi. Look at the piece of burfi. See this a picture. In the plate there is a one burfi. It is a quadrilateral. It is a quadrilateral shapes. So quadrilateral has 4 edges. So look here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it has a 4 edges and 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 4 corners and 4 edges. Then look here, observe the surface of a table. Observe the surface of a table. How many edges does the surface have? How many edges does the surface have? Look here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many edges are there? 4. Then, how many corners does the surface have? So, it having a 1, 2, 3, 4. It having a 4 edges and 4 corners. What is the shape of the surface of the table? The shape of the surface of the table is rectangle. Now look here, rectangle. Take a rectangular sheet of paper as shown below. How many edges and how many corners does the rectangle have? How many edges and how many corners does a rectangle have? See here. This is a rectangle shape. It's having a edges 1, 2, 3, 4. How many edges? 4. And corners here 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the corners and these are the edges 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is a rectangular shapes. See here, how many edges and how many corners does the rectangular have? Rectangular have 4 edges and 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then, now let us fold the paper in the middle to bring the opposite edges together. Opposite edges together. See here. Then what do we see? The longest side fall exactly on the opposite side. The longest side fall on the opposite side. See here, student. This is the longest side. Fold on the, you have to fold this paper on the opposite side. See here, what I did, this is the longest side. I fold it on the opposite side. So this is a opposite side. Middle, you have to bring the opposite edges together. Then what you will see, the longest side fully falls exactly on the opposite side. Now see here, the shortest side falls exactly on the side opposite to the shortest side. Then what you have to do? The shortest side. See here, this is the shortest side. This is the middle point. So what I am doing here? Look here, I am folding. This is the shortest side. This way it is the shortest side. Fold exactly to the side of the opposite. See, and this is the longer side. This is the longer side. Then opposite side of the rectangulars of equal length are of equal length. Then take a see here, take a look at a handkerchief and it is a square shape. This is a square shape. I have cut the paper and it is a square shape. You have to take a paper or handkerchief. See, this is a handkerchief. Then, how many edges and corners does a square have? So, you know it very well. How many edges are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 edges in square. And corner 1, 2, 3, 4. How many corners are? There are 4 edges and 4 corners in square. So, how many edges and corners does the square have? There are 4 edges and 4 corners in a square. Then, fold the handkerchief in the middle from top to bottom as well as from side to side if the opposite side of equal length. So, this is the opposite side. Look here, this is a handkerchief. I am folding here. This is the opposite side. from the top to the bottom as well as from the side to side if the opposite sides of equal length. This is the opposite side. Now we shall fold the handkerchief I have shown along the side to find out if each corner falls exactly on the one opposite side. Exactly same way. See here. First I fold it this way. Then again you have to take the handkerchief and you have to fold it. See here. Okay. The corner match and so do the edges make them up. So now fold the handkerchief over again. Now fold the handkerchief over again. All the edges matches in its length. So all the edges of the square of the equal length. All the edges of the square are equal length. So again, see here. You have to fold this way. And then again. Now that we get a triangular when we folded the handkerchief. We get a triangular. See here. 1, 2, 3. So we get a triangular shapes. Now, how many edges does a triangle have and how many corners? Student, you know very well. How many edges are there? 1, 2 and 3. These are the edges. And 1, 2, 3. These are the corners. So how many edges are there? 3 edges and 3 corners. Then find this shape in your surrounding. So in your home you have to see the shape of the triangle. What is there in your home? So you just find out. Find this shape in your surrounding. In your surrounding at your home also you just find out like a triangle shape what you have and you just tell me, student. Now use a stick to make the following shapes: quadrilateral, rectangle, square and triangles. So complete the table below. It is given there figure, name of the figure, number of edges and number of corners. So look here, student. Scale. छोटे scale. So look here, students. Complete the table below. I have drawn here. This is a quadrilateral. So name of the figure you have to write here. Quadrilateral. This is a quadrilateral. So name of the edges. Edges. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many edges are there? 4 edges. And how many corners are there? See your corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many corners are there? 4. Now see a scene. Which is this picture? Can you tell me? So this is a rectangle. This is a rectangle. So look here, how many edges are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Rectangle have 4. And how many corners are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many corners are there? 4. Same way, this is a square. So you have to, while drawing, take the scale and draw it, student. So look here, edges 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the edges of square. And corners 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the corners. 4 edges and 4 corners. Same way, triangle. So you have to write here square. Name of the figure is square. So what is this? Student, you know it very well. So what is this? These are the triangle. So how many edges are there? 1, 2, 3. How many edges are there? 3 edges. And corner 1, 2, 3. There are 3 corners. Now this is a circle. So this is a circle. Circle has no edges and no corners. There are no edges. Circle has no edges and no corners. So you have to write here. Now next page, page number 4. So how to make a 5-piece diagram? How to make a 5-piece diagram? Take a square piece of paper. Take a square piece of paper. Then, so I have done it. See here, take a square piece of paper. This is a square piece of paper. Then, find the center of the paper by folding it twice. By folding it twice. I fold it. See here. Find the center of the paper by folding it twice. By folding it twice. Then, also make the center of the 4 edges. See here, 4 edges. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the 4 edges. These are the 4 edges. Then, draw a line to the center of the side and the center of the square as shown in the picture. As shown in the picture. In the side, there is given a diagram, student. You have to draw in this page. In the square, you have to make this way. You have to take this type of square page. You have to fold it, middle point. Then again you have to see the edges 1, 2, 3, 4. And whatever the diagram, this diagram you have to draw in that page. This diagram. Then now make a 5 piece of the square by cutting along the line as shown in the picture. So you have to draw this type. If you draw this, then you have to draw this and then you cut it. You do it at home. So, make a 5 piece of the square by cutting along the lines as shown in the figure. You have to draw this picture. You have to draw this picture in the page. I have drawn it this way. See here. Same way, how they had shown. We have to draw it. So what we get here? One here triangle we get it. This is the second triangle and this is the third triangle. This is the third triangle. And then what we get here? Quadrilateral and square. Same way you have to draw in this page. You have to take this type of square paper and draw this picture and then you cut with a scissor. See what you will get. Then using the diagram here, answer the following question. Look this and you have to answer. Okay. Then how many triangles are there in your tangram? How many triangles are there? Look here student. How many triangles are there? 1, 2 and 3. There are 3 triangles. Then, are all the triangles alike? Are all the triangles are alike? No. The triangles are no alike. Then, can we join the two of the triangles to make a square? So, see here. Can we join the triangles to make a square? See here. Triangle 1 and triangle 4 join together to make a square. Triangle 1 and triangle 4 join to make a square. Okay. Then can we join two of the triangles to make a big triangle? Can we join the two of triangles to make a big triangle? No. Answer is no. Then how many squares are there in this diagram and how many quadrilaterals? How many squares? So squares. One square, here it is a one square and two quadrilaterals. One square and two quadrilaterals. So the last question here. In the picture below, identify the figure, draw on the dotted paper and color the triangle red, square and blue and the rectangle in green. See, in your book, in your notebook, you have to draw this same picture. And what you have to do? You have to color the triangle red in color, square blue in color and rectangle green in color. Student, you have to draw this. Color the triangles red, square in blue and rectangle in green color. So, I will going to give you a question from your reliable book. You have to write it in that notebook and this in the last after that question answer you have to write this, you have to draw this and you have to color it. So, I hope you understood, student, and always do your homework first. First you do your homework and then you go to play, okay? So do your study first. So thank you, student. झालं का नाही?